Nvidia continues to lift tech stocks higher. US market wrap. The stock rally powered ahead as Nvidia Corp.'s bullish outlook rekindled. The artificial intelligence mania and data showed the world's largest economy is still going strong. From the United States to Europe and Japan, shares reached new highs, with the most valuable chipmaker rising 16% on Thursday and adding to $177 billion to its market capitalization. That is the largest single-session value increase ever, surpassing Meta $197 billion gain, with the statistics in bulls are calculating Nvidia's new price-to-earnings ratio, or how much investors are willing to pay for future growth. In other words, the company's profits have outpaced its stock price growth. The MSCI ACWI index, which includes both developed and emerging markets, reached its all-time high. The Nasdaq 100 rose 3%, while the S&P 500 experienced its largest rise since January 2023. The $16 billion VanEck Semiconductor ETF, SMH, surged 6.8%. Advanced Micro Devices and Broadcom, two additional chip makers that are projected to profit from AI growth, both set new marks. Supermicro Computer Inc., which has become a favorite among investors seeking exposure to breakthrough technology, surged 33%. Equities were also boosted by strong manufacturing, housing, and labor market data, while traders took more hawkish Fed rhetoric in stride. Treasury 10-year rates were slightly changed at 4.32%. Nvidia's major customers include Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, and Google, which account for roughly 40% of its revenue, as they rush to invest in AI computer technology.